Nowadays, advertisements are all over the web. They can be quite intrusive and often slow down your browsing experience. If you're looking for a way to get rid of ads on websites, then an ad blocker extension is the way to go. Hi, I'm Afnan Pashtun and you are watching Pashtun Says YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about the best ad blockers for Chrome, Firefox and Safari so you can browse the internet without any of those pesky ads. Now before we get started, let's go over some important information on how these work. What they can do for you. Ad blockers are plugins that hide advertisements on a web page. Ad-free pages offer good user experience, and you can quickly read the content of the web page without any distractions. Extensions can be a bit difficult to describe, mostly because the possibilities are limitless. What an extension does is largely going to depend on what it's designed for and what options have been enabled at its creation. As a general rule of thumb, though, Chrome extensions can improve or change your browsing experience by adding features you didn't know you needed. What makes them so great is that they're not limited to profiles. If you want to switch from ad blocking to script disabling without losing any profiles or preferences, you can do that instantly. In short, it is an ad-free page. However, cybercriminals have become very smart in recent times since they perform credible manipulation to use adverts as a cover for their phishing schemes or malicious downloads. There are many different ad blocker extensions available, but here are 5 of the best ones for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari and Opera Mini. Adblock Plus. This is one of the most popular ad blockers around. You can use it to block all kinds of ads, including YouTube pre-rolls. It's easy to use and simple as pressing a button. It's also open source, which is great for those who are interested in the code behind it. uBlock Origin. This extension is also very popular and does a great job of blocking ads. It's lightweight and efficient, so it won't slow down your browsing experience. Adblock Edge. This is a newer ad blocker that aims to be fast, lightweight, and simple. It uses the same filters as Adblock Plus, so it should do a good job of blocking ads. Ghostery. This extension blocks tracking scripts and cookies from being set on your computer. It also blocks ads, but you can choose which ones to allow. Fair Adblocker. This is one of the best ad blocker for Chrome, which blocks ads and pop-ups. This Adblock free extension provides best ad block for Chrome and also helps you to get protection from malware, any security threats, and online tracking. You can use this extension to have a faster, secure, as well as private browsing. You can also whitelist allow websites or certain types of ads you like. This was all for today. Hopefully this video will have helped you in getting rid of annoying internet ads. If you have any queries and questions, put them down in comment section. I will be glad to answer them. Do subscribe and show some love by liking and commenting on the video. See you in next video.